Nothing continues to push boundaries with its signature transparent design and glyph lighting, and the Nothing Phone 3A is no exception. Packed with a vibrant AMOLED display, a powerful Snapdragon chipset, a versatile triple camera setup, and a massive battery, this phone brings a premium experience at a competitive price. Let's dive into all the features that make the Nothing Phone 3A a standout device in 2025. The Nothing Phone 3A features a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel, delivering deep blacks, rich colors, and crisp details. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth scrolling, gaming, and animations, making it perfect for a flagship-level experience. The display also comes with HDR10+ support, enhancing brightness and contrast levels for vivid content consumption. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or scrolling through social media, this display is designed to impress. With slim bezels and symmetrical aesthetics, Nothing continues its tradition of providing a clean, distraction-free viewing experience. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A is powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3, a high-performance yet power-efficient chipset. This processor delivers seamless multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven optimizations while ensuring battery efficiency. Paired with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, users can expect fast app launches, smooth UI navigation, and zero lag during heavy tasks. Whether you're switching between apps or playing high frame rate games, this device won't disappoint. To further enhance gaming performance, Nothing has incorporated an advanced cooling system, ensuring that the phone remains cool even during extended gaming sessions. Photography is a major highlight of the Nothing Phone 3A, thanks to its flagship-grade triple-camera system. 50MP main sensor captures sharp, high-detail images with AI-powered enhancements. 50MP ultra-wide lens perfect for landscapes, group shots, and creative perspectives. 50MP telephoto lens, 3x optical zoom, allows for detailed zoom shots without losing image quality. One unique addition is the dedicated camera button, inspired by professional cameras. This physical button makes it easier to snap quick shots, access camera modes, and adjust settings without touching the screen. The AI-powered night mode, portrait mode, and 4K video recording ensure that the Nothing Phone 3A delivers pro-level photography and videography. On the front, the 32MP selfie camera provides crystal-clear self-portraits and enhanced video calls, with AI beauty enhancements and HDR support. The Nothing Phone 3A packs a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day battery life even with heavy usage. 45W wired fast charging charges up to 50% in just 20 minutes. Optimized power management extends battery life with AI-driven optimizations. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing, this device is designed to keep up with your daily demands. The Nothing Phone 3A runs Nothing OS 3.1, based on Android 15, bringing a clean, bloat-free, and highly optimized UI. Minimalistic and smooth interface, no unnecessary apps, just pure Android with Nothing's unique design. Glyph interface customizations, advanced controls for LED notifications, music syncing, and app alerts. Enhanced privacy features, improved app permissions, end-to-end encryption, and secure app locking. Nothing OS 3.1 is designed for seamless performance and long-term software support, making it a future-proof smartphone choice. Nothing's signature transparent design and glyph lighting make a return on the Nothing Phone 3A, offering a bold, futuristic look. The LED glyph interface can be customized for notification alerts, different light patterns for different apps. Call and message indicators, unique flash sequences for favorite contacts. Music syncing, lights pulsating in rhythm with your music. With an IP54 rating, the device is dust and splash resistant, adding extra durability. The under-display fingerprint sensor ensures quick and secure unlocking. The Nothing Phone 3A is a perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality. With its vibrant display, powerful cameras, efficient chipset, and long-lasting battery, it stands out as a serious competitor in the mid-range segment. For users who love unique aesthetics, flagship-level photography, and a clean software experience, the Nothing Phone 3A is a top-tier choice. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Nothing Phone 3A. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Tech Explorer, and turn on notifications for more smartphone reviews and tech leaks. What are your thoughts on the Nothing Phone 3A? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.